What we are doing today is actually boring out the concretion that is embedded into the floor. It's been over 200 years of buildup of sand, sediment, and corrosion, just almost like cement. And so what I'm having to do is actually use an auger and taking a drill and trying to slowly drill through that really tough concretion. So concretion is sort of the build-up over time of sand, sediment, and corrosion product, mainly iron, that sort of over time it just cements all together. The longer it sits there and does that, the harder it gets. So this has been over 200 years worth of build-up. It's almost like concrete. And what I'll do is continue on with the same process, but if you look inside, you can actually, hopefully you can see the progress. And I'll continue that until it is completely deconcreted. And then we'll go on to the next stage of finishing desalination and then stabilization.